Good afternoon, Mas. We are in Group 3.
I am December Iyala. I am part of the group.
I am Riel Bio.
I'm Raja Ilan. I'm Evan Neil.
And today, we are presenting you the Time Out Club, a student standby area where students can rest, reflect, and recharge.
Students standby area. In our face-to-face survey and online surveys, we noticed that the most common problem identified by the students is the standby area. So, we focus on creating a student standby area, functional space where students can relax, studies, or wait between classes. As we gathered the surveys, we found out that the area of NPSC is very noisy. The student can focus on their online classes or study their lessons. If they have daytime, students wait in hallway, staircases, or bench, and also block out rest days. They feel uncomfortable, especially during or hot or rainy weather. So, here are the other common problems in our school. The graph shows us that these problems affect students in different areas of the school. But as you can see, the student standby area is a very problem, is a common problem from the students. The problem is in our school, students don't have a special place to stay while working, so they stay in hallways, peers, or outside. These places are crowded, not comfortable, and sometimes hot or rainy. The main issue is the school doesn't have a proper waiting area, so students stay in bad places where they don't be out.
Idea. As we gathered so much and brainstormed some solutions, we finally got two options. And these are standby area, a place where students can stay and rest. And the second option we got is placard signs to prevent students to stay in such places like stairs, hallways that causes them to have a stomach stamping and overcrowding. As we gathered those two options, we finally choose only one, and that is a sheltered area with tables, chairs, and adjustable blinds for sun and rain protection, and built-in networks and charging ports. A sheltered waiting area is provided for students, equipped with tables, chairs, and a roof to protect them from sunlight or rain, and also equipped with blinds to manipulate the sun's direction on the sunny days and rain particles on the rainy days. Networks and cable ports are conveniently located at the walls. To innovate this product, a solar roof is provided with its own electricity to not rely on the wired posts. And this aims to make the shelter a more sustainable and functional place for students, and also saves up electricity, which also benefits the school for the electricity bills.
The prototype has been filtered using this one. Analysis and brainstorming method with the faculty capacity into such weakness and stress.
Strength. It is built with a strong foundation that is capable of supporting the whole structure. Weakness. The solar panel might experience a short load of electricity due to the mist like weather, and our timeout hub is easily to get crowded because it have 15 to 20 students can fit on.
Opportunity. An opportunity in case of brownout, the solar panel is a great source of electricity for students and staff. And in the tweets, a responsible student might steal some trash or vandalize the area.
That's all. Ay, alay. Wala pa katawan? Gilaan niyo. Go. Go. Yung sabi mo.
To a school,
Balik ko to.
To a school standby area can include vandalism, unauthorized access, and lack of security measures, potentially leading to safety concerns for students and staff. This trait can also manifest as physical or verbal aggression, as well as situations like criminal threats.
And that will be all. Thank you.
Kapag katay,
One way.